Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me, currently on a farm with Grwm Alchemist. On a farm and going for dinner. And what I'm wearing, I have two options. One is like farm chic, one is like clubbing. Don't know what the vibe is gonna be, but I'm gonna do like my usual makeup for like nighttime. And then I'll decide what outfit I'm gonna do. My lips are dry as hell. Let me go find some lip balm. Also, we're here for 2 days. Two nights, 3 days. This is how many toiletries I felt was necessary. 3 cases of toiletries. Will I use half of these? No. Will I even dent into it? But what I do have is a lip balm. Summer Fridays, my all-time favorite lip balm. I had a facial just now. I don't know what to do with my skincare though. So obviously I washed my face after the facial, which I don't know if you're even supposed to do that. But it just feels wrong not washing your face when you're in the shower. So I wash my face again. I'm gonna just do like a light skincare because my skin's been washed like twice already today. No, 3 times already today. And then obviously I'm gonna wash it after dinner too. So it's gonna be 4 times I'm gonna wash my skin today. So I'm gonna try not overdo it. The thing about facials, I always get nervous doing them because you don't really know how your skin's gonna react, especially if it's a new facial. This is a new facial I've done with Grwm Alchemist. And you just never know what your skin is gonna like or not like, so I'm nervous to see how my skin reacts. I don't know what to do first. Do I do my hair first? Actually, let me show you my outfits. I don't know why I'm asking because this is not going to be live. By the time I post this, I will have already chosen the outfit, but I'm still gonna show you anyway my thought process. These are the 2 options. You can see this one's doing a lot. It's a mini skirt from Zara. I was gonna pair it with this like vest top, green underbra underneath, so like quite casual with like some gold heels. But then I have this brown silk shirt with these brown silk trousers. I feel like the brown is probably more appropriate, but you know when you ask people like, what are you wearing, and everyone's like, we're doing casual, then you turn up and everyone's doing the most. I don't want to be that thing, so I want to like maybe I'm actually not going to prime my skin because I feel like my base is already really moisturised. So I'm just going to go in with the foundation. This is the Pat McGrath best foundation this year, last year. 2022, top foundation for me. I'm just going to go. Oh, it is so... Where is it? Anyway, this foundation is... Oh, it's here. As I was saying, this foundation is so skin-like. You can make it really light, but then you can also make it very full coverage, very easily. Pat McGrath's makeup, sensational. Her look for Doja Cat, groundbreaking. So if you're not on the Pat McGrath wave, get onto it, sisters. This is the base. You can see it's really lightweight. I'm now growing. Don't know where this came from. I'm sure this was not here at the beginning of this video. Gonna have to cover that. And here, gonna have to cover that. So I'm going to do like a much more full on look. So this NARS concealer, my favorite concealer when it comes to these kind of looks. Just like to take some and just apply a generous amount. Really need this. I might do a brown smoky eye actually. That's like my signature. That's my vibe. I feel like when I'm going out, I feel like a smoky eye is just sultry and just really cute. I know a lot of people are doing the, you know, inner eye and then the outer eye, missing the gap, but I still kind of do it the old way, but elongated. We had a really informative talk actually this morning about gut health, and she specifically said alcohol is bad. Everyone knows that, but she was like, obviously it's going to destroy your gut. So I feel like if I get drunk, because tomorrow I have a one-to-one with her about like my diet and what it is I struggle with, which will be quite cool because my skin. Yeah, I have a one-to-one with her. So I feel like if I turn up tomorrow at 9 AM is my time, hungover, she's gonna be like, Jessica. I might actually lay my concealers for a brighter eye. I never do this, but I'm feeling kind of adventurous. And I want it to look good. Mixing the two, and I'm gonna set it. This powder right here. This powder, don't know whether I'm baking or just setting. I brought the white one. The white one really brightens your under eye. I hate doing my eyebrows. I hate it. Never look good. Like, this is really pissing me off as well. It looks like I'm dirty, but I'm not. It's my foundation. My eyebrows actually look decent for once. They look decent. Everyone on TikTok, there's that one girl that's been saying she doesn't know why people use it because it like blends into nothing. I actually really like it. But yeah, this technique is what I've been doing. I like to just place a dot here on my cheek and then just blend in that same spot instead of like up. Because this is what gives you that look, well, me. And I've actually put too much on. I make it not look like I've got a muddy face, and that's actually what it's looking like. I've put way too much on. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna have to just blend it up. Usually I wouldn't blend this up. Because I put way too much today, I'm gonna have to blend upwards. Skin's dry. Don't skip primer, guys. Don't skip primer. If you know your face should use primer. I'm gonna try lighten up certain areas that have now become really dark. This is looking bad, bad, bad. I'm not in a good way either. This little Lancome palette, it's the Hypnosis Nude Sculptural. It's like my favorite. It's my favorite palette for like brown looks. It's always the palette I use for my smoky brown look. I just take this brown here and then deepen it up with this one, and it's just very, very easy. All over with this. Doesn't have to be too accurate because it's gonna be the base shade. Brown, unlike black, doesn't look like you've got like a punched eye, and that's why I like it, because black sometimes, if you do it like wrong or too much, it's kind of crazy, and that doesn't really happen with brown. So brown's like a safe option. It's nighttime, so intensify everything. It doesn't look, it looks dark right now, but at night with flash pictures, you need it to be darker, otherwise it won't pick up how you want it to in pictures. So I know in my head this is already too dark for me, but I'm gonna do even more dark brown so that I like the pictures I take. This is another hack I do, because inevitably my under eye is gonna crease. I don't think it's actually possible for your under eye not to crease. So just add your eyeshadow onto your bottom lash, and then you don't have to worry about whether your concealer is blended or not. See, even with this flash, you can see it kind of makes my eyes not look dark, but in this mirror, my eyes look so dark. But this is what it will look like. Gonna set this again. Do I do a liner? Do I not do a liner? I've got a brown liner. I might just do, I might just do a little liner. Why have I done this? Oh my god, I've just ruined everything. Okay. That one's fire. That one's not. Okay. I just could just remind a car will depart at 7. So do head down to reception a little before so we can head off to our champagne reception and dinner. Okay. Do you know what? I'm gonna take this liner off. I need a Q-tip. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna look arse. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. That is so long. That is literally so long. They're different. Look how long that one is. That one's so small. I'm just gonna match this one. Now I feel like I don't have enough time because now I need to do my hair. I've decided I'm going to curl my hair. My eyebrows also, they look kind of weird. Where's my mascara? Okay, Gucci, okay, cool. Cool. I can't lie, I hate it. I actually hate it. Oh, this looks crazy. This, why did I do liner? Why did I do that? No, I can't take it off. My bronzer is so dark. Oh, oh. Do you know what? I actually don't care. I give up. I actually give up. This looks insane. Not in a good way. This looks insane. Like, I look like a clown. Where's my light? Where's my light? I need to see this with... Ah, oh, guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, this lighting makes all the difference. I feel happy again. I feel happy. I feel good. I feel good. Makeup's not too bad. I can work with it. I see the vision. This Hourglass palette, sensational. Everything you ever need. Blush, bronzer, highlight, whatever you need. This is the wrong brush for this. I literally don't care. I'm done caring about my makeup. Hopefully my hair goes to plan. I'll do my lips when I'm actually like leaving. Oh, the woman put oil in my hair. So it's kind of greasy, kind of greasy. Okay, let me see with my hair down if it looks any better. Does it look better? Does it look worse? If you've got a sensitive scalp like me, like everything hurts you, brushes, getting your hair braided, all of that. This Tangle Teaser brush looks like this. Doesn't hurt whatsoever, and it actually takes out the tangles in your hair without pulling your hair. Like, I used to hate brushing my hair, but now it's kind of, it's fine. There's enough tugging to like take out the knots, and it sounds like it hurts, but it actually doesn't. Look how much oil she put in my hair. This is like no product. It's slick down. The thing is, if I have my hair up, my makeup actually has to be flawless because everything is on show. Whereas if it's down, I can kind of cover the not blended parts. Ponytail. Should I do a ponytail with like the fringe out? These can go up as well. And try on the clothes. I'm gonna try on the clothes actually. Be back. Okay, this is the final look. Slip my hair back because there was no way I was curling my hair with the amount of grease. If you're wondering what I used to slick down my hair, this Way pomade is just literally, it's not a gel, it's literally like a thick paste, and it does such a good job at slicking down hair, and it doesn't crunch and leave that nastiness that gel usually does. So yeah, if you're ever wondering what I used to slick down my hair, it's that. But yeah, I'm actually happy with what my makeup looks like and everything. My camera actually died, so I'm going to show you the end result on my phone. This is my makeup. Really like how it turned out, and I went for the brown number. Trousers are from Sundar Bay or something like that. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. My top is from ASOS. I think the browns really go together. So yeah, I'm ready now. Really happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's very chilled, laid back. Yeah, I'm gonna go for dinner now. Probably see a picture on Instagram or something. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.